Hello guys, P Orchids Garden USA here. I'm going to show you one of the plants that I bought. I got this from Lowe, yes, Lowe's. And I always wanted one a long time ago, and this is called lemongrass. Lemongrass is great for ingredients for cooking. Most Filipino uses this. And so I always wanted one because my mom used to use this cooking growing up. And I bought one before, but it didn't grow. It died. So because of the weather here, I did not leave it outside, but I brought it in, but still died. So hopefully this one will survive. It is it's a really nice plant, and I love the smell of the leaves, which is that's what we use for cooking, the leaves. And it's very seldom that I see this at the store, and I've been waiting for this for so long now, and I'm glad that I found one. And look at that. It looks so nice and healthy, and hopefully I'll be able to keep it alive indoor. I'm gonna leave it inside during winter because I know this is a tropical plant. Anyway, I just want to show it to you, and I'm so glad that I got it. And I'm gonna show you how much it cost me on this one. This is like $14.98 plus tax, 10% tax, and so it's $15 plus. And I'm so glad that I got it. But anyway, just want to show it to you. Thank you so much. And I don't know, here at the Pacific Northwest, this doesn't grow outdoor. It has to be indoor during winter because it gets so cold and wet and miserable there. Anyway, thank you so much. Bye now. Oh, shout out to the members, channel members, and also shout out to the amazing PML team. Bye guys. Take care.